What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of the Smeg 2-slice toaster. I have it in chrome. You can pick it up on Amazon for about $159. A little bit on the expensive side, but it's a beautiful toaster. It was given the IFA Design Award in 2015 and numerous other design awards. This thing is totally cool. It looks like it came straight out of the 50s. Like I said, $159. So really you're paying for this design. You're paying for it to match your other Smeg products. Other Smeg products include a kettle, a refrigerator even, and some other items that you can find online and possibly even in stores. Nonetheless, at any rate, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions today. I ordered this off of Amazon just about a day ago, and it took about a day to get here. Also, just wanted to let you guys know, I have some more videos coming out in the next couple of days. Some more iPhone case videos, because I know you guys really like those. Voila. I probably should have done that from the beginning. But here it is. This is the Smeg toaster. I ordered it in chrome. It actually looks like it came in blue. We'll have to find out. I'm a little bit skeptical right now. That may just be the packaging. At the top of the box, you get some user manuals, which is really nice. And what's also really nice is this toaster comes with a 1-year factory warranty, which will allow you to replace it if you have any problems with it. So even though you are paying a lot of money for this toaster, it does come with a really nice warranty. So this is the 2-slice toaster. There is also a 4-slice toaster you can buy. Initially, I was intrigued by this device because I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. I love well-designed products, so they've got it tied up on the bottom here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my knife and cut through this stuff here. We're not gonna attempt to untie anything. Not because we're incapable, but because we're excited to get this toaster out of all of its, in all of its glory. We're excited to get it out of the box, right? I don't even want to put my fingerprints on this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous so far. So here she is. I mean, you guys can pretty much see yourself in it, right? Really absolutely stunning toaster. I mean, I thought this thing would be heavier, but it's not that heavy. It's pretty light. So it's, you know, built just like toasters would be if you bought one, like a cheap plastic one. So I figured we would take a look at it today and maybe answer some questions on Amazon like we've done in the past. This obviously is to turn the toaster on. So you've got this really cool chrome knob here. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said, looks like it came straight out of the 50s. You get a couple of modes on the bottom here. You've got a stop button. This button right here is a defrost button. This button right here is the reheat button, I believe. And these are just, you've got a really nice knob here that works well. It's very clicky. 4.5, 5.5, 6. It has 6 burner modes, so depending on how crispy you want your toast, you can set it between 1 and 6. If you just pull down on the knob there, it's like a slot machine. It just goes and tries to make toast like any other toaster. And of course, if you hit that stop button, everything stops and your toast comes right back up. So let's go ahead and answer some questions on Amazon. I know you guys are interested in that, and I know you guys are interested in hearing about what other people have to say about this toaster. By the way, when you buy your toaster and you break it in, you definitely want to run it for a few times before you actually put any food in it, because like any new product straight from the factory, it's gonna have some metallic odors and things of that nature on the inside that you wanna burn off. I just turned the toaster on for the first time and I can already smell some of those odors. You just wanna burn them away. So when you get the toaster for the first time, do a couple trial runs with it and burn some of that metal away from it so that it's not making your bagel or your toast taste like metal. So the first question that this person has to ask is, at this price, is this toaster actually making toast? And the answer to that is, of course. This gets 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon out of 60 reviews. So for the most part, it's a really good toaster. Does this toast both sides of a bagel? I bought the KitchenAid ProLine toaster, but it only toasts one side of the bagel. Turns out I want both. Answer to that is yes, it does. The toaster has been the best I have owned. The only complaint I have is that mine, the lettering Smeg, was spelled S-M-G-E. Okay, so anyways, that's totally irrelevant. Our Smeg toaster is spelled correctly here. Okay, so this next question is, how many watts? And the answer to that is 980 watts. And last but not least, what country is this toaster manufactured in? And it is China. So really, regardless of where it's manufactured, this is an absolutely stunning toaster. Like I said earlier, the winner of the 2015 IF Design Award and Red Dot Award, and recipient of the Good Design Award from the Chicago Atheneum Museum of Architecture and Design. Features and details include 2 extra wide slots with self-centering racks, automatic slice pop-up, anti-slip feet, a removable stainless steel crumb tray, and 6 browning levels and 3 preset programs: reheat, defrost, and bagel. So it's a bit of a mouthful. Also, if you're wondering where the crumb tray is located, it's actually located in the back of the toaster. So there's a really, I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it says push on the, and all you do is push it in and it pops out. There's no hassle with this toaster. There's no flipping it over. I don't even want to touch the thing, and I'm sure you won't want to either, which is why this is such a beautiful design. But you simply push the button and the crumb tray pops out and you can dump your crumbs in the sink or what have you. So anyways, guys, that has been an unboxing and a first impressions of the Smeg 2-slice toaster in chrome. It comes in 7 colors in total, so it comes in 6 other colors. It comes in red, black, cream, pink. That's 4 right there. Comes in red, black, cream, pink, chrome, blue, and pastel green, I should say, because that's actually really important. That is a total 50s color, is pastel green. Anyways, guys, my name is John. I hope you enjoyed that review of this Smeg 2-slice toaster. I didn't actually make any toast, but rest assured, I'm pretty sure it does a good job of that. Anyways, guys, this product is a convenience good because I picked it up on Amazon. It was $159. Like I said earlier, a little bit on the pricey side, but I think you're getting what you're paying for. If you have a kitchen that's designed around 50s looking products, this is the way to go. This is a total niche product, but one that is very beautiful and will actually look good in any kitchen, to be quite honest with you. As long as you have stainless steel appliances, this chrome toaster fits in perfectly. Even though it looks like it's from the 50s and 60s, it still looks ultra modern. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that first look, first impressions of this beautiful Smeg 2-slice toaster in chrome. My name is John, and I will see you in the next video.